It's not it. It's assignment. Just a second. Just a second, Kalki. Yeah. So it is configuration item. Yeah. Yes. Configuration item. Okay. Change request. Yes, Kalki. So here I have this logic actually I have used. Just a second.
Okay, if it's not equal to empty,
Yeah,
okay, yeah, okay, it should work.
it should work, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Just a second. No, actually I haven't.
See,
Actually,
the
yes.
where you just modified the second line actually, where you modified the second line. Is it there
I
any
did
reason
I did
to
nothing
modify
actually.
that?
Kalki second line I did nothing. Yes, actually yes, I have modified like old value to
Yeah, it
new
should
value.
be empty na instead of old value.
New value if while loading. Yes, yes, it should be empty. Correct.
Yeah,
I have given here wrong.
yeah.
Yes.
So don't touch it until it's required.
Okay, got it. Oh no, every time this is happening. Sure. Okay, done. Save. Oh no, no, again did it wrong. Field name I forgot. Configuration item. Yes. Old value equal to save. Okay. It change table. Let's see. So it says
Now it's feasible.
so
Remove
it
the
is
conversation item now and click anywhere. No, no. Instead of saying also it should reflect, right? It's still visible. The
yeah.
section. Or show me the client script.
Oh, yeah. Yes.
The conflicts section backend name is conflicts only.
This should be conflict, I guess.
See, you did another mistake also fifth line. In fifth line.
The line.
You should put the CMDB underscore CI in inverted commas, na?
Inverted comma. Yes. Yes. Correct.
Good. Now save and just try. Refresh
Yeah.
the form. Anyways, this doesn't work on onload because we're making it only work on on change.
Right.
So you should make it work on onload also. You get how to make it onload? Just remove the tease loading. That's it, right? You can do it later. You can do it later. But now let's
Okay.
see.
Oh, it's visible. Still visible.
No, it's still visible.
Yeah.
I'll show the
No,
conflicts
just
back.
click on the top. I think click on just save option comes, then it disappears.
No. See, actually, it should be disappear now itself. Go to the script.
Okay.
I'll show the conflicts backend name. Section backend name is conflicts only.
Actually, that's what my like doubt is because I haven't called that anywhere yet.
You should
So
at least you
right.
tried it. We should use this dot get section names, right? I would just use that method to get the section names. No,
Yeah. So here I can after or
just add in the
outside.
fifth line. Add in the fifth line for now.
Okay, got it.
Add in the alert. That line is not necessary. That line is necessary for us to know the section names. Okay.
Yeah.
But we can remove it later. We should remove it later because it's not required.
Got it.
Jagdish, have you checked? Have you done this?
Yeah, I'm actually joining from mobile actually. I'm
Okay.
outside for a medical emergency. That's why I have completed
Okay,
it and
okay.
it's reflecting properly.
Okay. I think section
So
A might be wrong.
Yeah, I'm bit sure that it is something like I think it is U underscore conflicts or something like that,
No,
or conflict
it's
only.
definitely not you underscore conflict because it's out of the box.
so Kalki, is it correct? Like I
I
let
don't
Yeah,
remember, but
yeah, just save
yes.
and
okay.
refresh the form and change the configuration item.
Sure.
And what about Ishwar, Mayuri, Prajakta, Sharmila?
Yes, Kalki tried, but the same issue is not working. CI is not for me.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. For me, the instance is getting problem.
Now remove the CI. You're
Remove
not
the
even
inst.
getting the
Okay.
pop-up.
Oh,
Prasad.
Kalki,
Have you
is
created?
confirmed.
No?
Which one, Kalki?
Have you created multiple client scripts for this?
No, 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 no. This is the like this is the one. I haven't created
Oh,
anything.
okay. I got you.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, once again go to the change form.
Change form. Okay. Yeah.
Put some configuration item there.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. No conflicts only.
See, yeah, conflicts on it. Do you know why
Mm-hmm.
it's not working? Go to the client script.
Yeah.
In the outer box, if block, we have it right. New value equal to empty. Remove
Yeah,
it there. Remove it.
Okay.
Yeah.
new value equal to equal.
And or also.
You have removed it completely.
Remove the parenthesis.
Yeah.
There is another.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Actually, there is some lag from his laptop. But yeah, just save it. Now it will work. Do you know what's
Okay.
happening? When it is empty, the first if block is happening to and it's written and just the script is stopping. That's the reason. Yeah. Just save it now and it will work now.
So this parenthesis is required, not required, I guess, right?
Just save it
Yeah,
like
it is.
this.
Okay.
Hey, parenthesis is required. Yeah. Open parenthesis. You did not give
Yeah.
right. You just remove the parenthesis.
Yeah.
Flower brackets. Curly brackets. Yeah.
You can format the code and it will look cleaner. Like you can format the code as well.
Yeah.
Look
And you can
cleaner
remove the
and
alert
perfect.
also.
Yeah.
Okay.
So as anyways, you want this to run on load also. So you can remove the if block also actually.
Uh, this one.
Yeah, you can remove the if block. No, the first one, second line. Second line if block.
Second line.
Because you want
Okay.
this to run for
Easy only.
loading also, right? So you can remove the complete if block. You can remove the complete if block.
Yes. Yes. I'm doing that. Correct.
Third line also. Third line.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, save.
Yeah.
Ah.
Mm,
This was happening for me yesterday. It was pretty
I don't
frustrating.
know
it won't
why.
happen for me. I don't know why.
It's happening.
Yeah, it is working perfectly.
Yeah. Any other doubts? I think someone is saying that it's not working for them also.
Yeah.
Are
Yeah.
able to find what mistake have you done? I don't know. I think Sujata or Sharmila, but I'm not sure who said that it's not working.
Yeah,
Please speak
Mayuri.
out. Yeah, okay, Mayuri. So, did you find out what mistake have you done?
Code is same.
Code is same.
Code is same. Yeah.
Sure. Share your
Yeah,
screen
sure.
then. Prasad, any other doubts?
Yes, actually, like 2, 3 more doubts are there.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay, please continue
Like,
it.
like
I'll
only
just.
with respect to logic only, nothing else. Like
Okay. Okay.
so one is assigned group field
So you
visible.
should try to build a logic actually.
Yep. So yeah. So here the doubt is. So here the state backend. Sorry, the state where it is new one. I'll show you in just a second. like
Wait,
Fort
wait,
Log.
wait, 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 wait. Ascend group, ascend. What is this actually?
So this is like assigned group should be visible to only the person, like so only when it is resolved, like the
No, no, I think that's not the requirement, I believe.
just a second.
Only for the person for whom the incident is assigned, they should be able to resolve it, I believe.
It is like only the assigned user should be able to resolve the incident.
Correct.
Yeah.
Yes, yes, that
Yeah.
one.
You understood it wrong actually.
Okay.
So
So
if
the
the incident is
assigned,
assigned to me, the
okay.
like I should only be able to
Yeah.
like I should only
Okay.
be able to resolve that.
So
I think
resolve.
yesterday you have done that, right? Day before yesterday.
Oh no.
Yeah, I did. I completed it,
Yes.
both of them.
This.
Yesterday, actually, I showed you on my screen. I have completed both of them,
Okay,
and with
yeah.
your
Actually, you
help,
understood.
the
Yeah,
second
yeah,
one.
yes, yes, yes. You understood it wrong, Prasad, actually. To
Okay.
whom the incident is assigned, only they should be able to resolve the incident. So consider the incident is assigned to you actually. And if I'm
Okay.
trying to make the state resolve, and if I try to save, it should not allow me to save.
Safe.
Okay,
Correct.
it should stop me and say that you can't resolve this incident. Okay.
Right. So here assigned to should refer to the like a group of people, those who are
No, it's like logged in user. If the logged in user and assigned to is same, we should be
okay.
able to resolve. If the login
So
user and assigned to is different, we should return
then
false.
correct. So I should declare a variable login user and I should call that to align with this assigned to whether it
Yes,
is
we should
matching
compare
or
with
not.
assigned to. That's it. If it's not
Okay, got
matching,
it.
you will return
Then it should
false.
return false. Yes.
If it's matching, we won't do anything. It will get saved. That's
Yeah,
it.
got
We
it.
should do only if it's not matching. We should just stop if it's not matching. Or we'll stop. You'll write return false. Should write
Right.
return false to stop. Okay.
Yes, got it.
Any other doubts? Actually,
Mm,
yeah, Jagadish have done that. Yeah.
yes.
Uh,
No, Kalki, like as of now it is this. So I'll
Okay.
yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Mayuri can share your screen actually.
yes, I think need to remove the if block, right?
Yes.
Then
We see actually as per the requirement, we need to remove the like normally we need to remove the new value variable. But this client script should also work for on load also. That's why we are removing the complete if block. If you feel it's not working, it's because of new value equal to empty is there, right? In the if block, in the second line if block. That's the reason actually. But anyways, if you remove the complete second like complete if block in the second line, it will work.
Got it.
Even though if you're removing the complete if block in the second line, if it's not working, then there may be some issue.
is it visible?
It is visible.
Um,
Okay.
so need to remove this
Yeah, it's perfect. Yeah, just remove that if block in the second line
the complete.
completely. It will work now. Save. That's it. Save. Yeah.
Don't change conflict.
Now, anyways, this client script will run because you're making it work on onload also, right?
Hmm.
Yes.
So CI is not there, so it should not be visible. Yeah, it's not visible.
Yeah. Yeah.
And yeah. And Mayuri, have you done this requirement like if a new record? Yeah, select any CI, anything, nothing happens.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Conflict
it's
is there.
And yeah, have you done this like for a new incident record, the caller field should be auto-populated with the logged in user. Have you done that?
Which one? Like
The previous ones,
no,
not the yesterday one or the day before yesterday one, that's the previous ones.
assignment for
No, I think
oh
second
yes,
one.
no second. Yes, yes.
Client script
only the
second one.
assigned to
Caller
user
field
should
should be.
be resolve the incident, right?
This is not the one. This is client
No,
script
no.
5 file, right? We have client scripts 1, 2, 3, 4 files also. In the client
Files.
Yes,
script
I
2 file,
did. Yes, I did.
The caller field
All
will
the
auto-populate with
requirements.
the current user.
I did all the requirements, but I have a one doubt is for the priority.
okay,
P1. While
okay,
I creating the role here, P1 is not populated in the that bucket.
Okay, just open it. Just show me. Let's see.
Sir.
Yeah, that's what the roles is. Yeah, roles module.
System administration.
Go down, go down. Actually, those are also same. Actually, yeah, in user
Hmm.
administration roles. Actually, we have views for lists also, right? So in that case, yeah. Search for P1 role here in name. No, have you
Oh,
created role already?
I created and also deleted because
Okay, then create new role then. Yeah, create a new
yeah,
role. You say that you deleted it, right?
while I creating the P1 or whatever the role is not populated on this slush bucket.
Okay, invalid instead. There is already a role. Go back. This
P1.
role name is unique actually. Search no.
Hmm.
Yes.
It is
Yeah.
there.
That's why it's not able to insert again because you already have that role.
Hmm.
And add a new related list here known as users. In order to assign this role to the users from roles, you need to
Hmm.
add users related list. How to add users related list? How to add related list firstly?
Related, I don't know actually.
So this wait. Stay in the same place.
Yeah, here is the option, right? Edit
See no,
and then
wait.
assign the role.
We have these contains roles, applications with roles. These all are actually
Hmm.
related list. In the
Hmm.
same way, we'll have some related list, something like users. Right click on form enter, configure related
Again.
lists.
Okay.
And this is what called slush bucket. So if anywhere,
Yes.
if you find something like this, it's called actually slush bucket. Okay, in the left side, you should be able to find something like users. Go down, go to you. No, to the top, to the top, to the top, to the top. Slowly. Go to the top. Slowly, slow. Mm, wait.
She can
User
also
role.
type
Yeah,
U in the
user role.
No, that is not the one, right?
you can also type a U in the keyboard and then it will auto show something starting with U.
Yeah, it will find out. Let me.
Yeah, users, right?
Yeah, users. I got it. Yeah. So like this also you can assign roles to users from the role record also. Like you can assign the role from user record. You can assign the role from role record also. Just save. So if you want to assign this role to any user, click on the users
Hmm.
related list and add the user here through edit like this. Okay. Any other
Yeah,
doubts?
here I am not finding the P1 role.
Where you will find out P1 there. This will
Okay, here,
show all the
yes,
users. This
all
will
the
show the
users. Yeah.
users to whom you want this role to be assigned.
Yeah,
Okay.
understood. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, stop the screen sharing if you're not having any doubts.
Yes.
And anyone, any doubts? Okay, I have a question for you. So if we want to debug the client scripts, do we like what methods you can use to debug?
So one is run, if it will run and it will show some exception or error.
What run?
Like
Where
this
do you
is
have a run?
like when we save it, after that
Okay.
it shows some the red color and all those things. If it is
Yeah,
not,
what is it called actually? Yeah, that is the answer. But what are those methods? Anyone? Jagadish, Dheeraj, Prajakta, Mayuri? Hmm?
I think I've read it somewhere. Um,
You have used it also.
Alert and add info message and add error message.
Yes. You can use these three methods for debugging. So if you feel the script is not running or working as expected, you can just see at which point the script is actually stopping, at which it's not working exactly. Okay, you can use these three methods. And what is the which line? Like what is the code to get the sys ID of the logged in user?
user
Dot
ID,
user,
Dot
user,
not user ID.
Yeah.
dot get user.
dot user ID. That's it.
Dot
Dot
user
user
ID.
Dot
ID.
user
G
ID.
underscore user dot user ID.
User ID.
Dot user ID.
Like and what thing you use to get the first name of the logged in user?
Dot first name.
That's it. For last name, it's last name.
Last
Dot last name. Yeah.
And for full name,
Get full name.
yes. Okay, you're having that notepad or what? Open.
No. I remember
Okay.
it.
And to get the username, user ID. To get the user ID.
I think same user ID and username. I guess both are same. Like dot
No.
username and dot user ID.
So we have a field like user ID in the user form.
Okay.
Actually, can be called as username also. So in order to get that, we'll use username property. Okay.
So user name will be the front end name and the user ID will be the sys ID.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
So if you see the user
Okay.
form, for all the user records, the user ID will be unique. It is unique actually.
Yeah.
There is a field known as user ID which is unique for each user record. If there is a user record with Jagadish, username as Jagadish, I can't again create a new user record with the same Jagadish as username. Okay, it's unique.
But
And
I think I have created it. I have created with the same. I have given the same reference email ID, which is all of course fake, and
I
with the
think
same name
okay.
twice. But the employee ID only differs. The first employee
Same
ID
name
is one
works,
one two
but
two three three.
ID. But if you give same user ID, it will stop you definitely.
Yeah, I think it will auto assign some new sys ID, I guess. The name, the front end name
Okay.
will always be
Okay.
same, but
You're getting confused. Let me explain. The user ID means here. Okay. So see, this is the user ID that I'm actually referring to. This is the user ID. Okay.
okay.
And
There was some
if you
user
want
ID
to,
that includes a employee ID or something, employee number or something, a reference number. I was talking about that one.
generally in real time, this user ID will be email only. Email of the user
Okay.
only. The user ID also be same as the email only in real time. In most of the cases, but it depends. If someone want to give something else, they will. Okay. But in some cases, in most of the cases, the email only will be like user ID only. The user ID will be also
Wait,
same as
wait.
email. And what is the method to set a field read only?
Set
Set display. No, not display.
get underscore form dot set a read only.
I want to make it read only, not editable. So what is the argument that I will give in that? No, set read or set visible is
Set
to
read
just
only.
hide or
Set visible.
show.
Set read
visible
only.
is to
Set read only,
yeah,
I
set,
guess.
set
Not
read only
set
is a
read only.
method. Okay, but in that, what is the parameter that I should do to make it read only?
Field name should be false. I mean field name
Field
and
name,
false.
comma.
Field name, comma false.
Is it field name, comma false
No,
or field
field
name,
name,
comma true?
comma true, I guess. I guess true.
Yes,
Field name, comma
field name,
true.
comma
Because
true.
because in something that the true that false denote to something else. I don't know what now.
See,
I can't remember, but false
field
denotes
name
something else.
space comma false makes it editable. Field
Yeah.
name, comma true
Okay.
makes it read only. Okay.
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 It's a
Don't get
comma true.
confused. Yeah, comma true. That's why I'm saying read only. So if I want to make any read only field as editable, then I'll use set read only
False.
in that field, comma false.
Yep.
And what is the difference between set visible and set display?
Set visible, set display. Okay.
So
Visible
visible is
and
a field
display.
like where it
Set
occupies
display will
the
not show the empty space.
correct.
Yes, that's the one actually I'm
Yes.
expecting.
Yeah.
That's the exact answer actually. So even if
Yes.
the field is not
The
visible, the empty space will be occupied by the below fields.
Below
occupied
That's
by
what,
below
right?
field.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And what's the difference between as role and as role exactly?
As role will show even if that particular role was not there, but admin role was there. It'll show the result. But add role exactly search for that particular role. I mean, if we take P1 for example.
Consider there is some role.
Yes.
Okay. Consider
Okay.
there is a user, he is admin. Okay. He don't have that particular role. So for him, that G like that as role will return true or false, even if you don't have that role for admin.
For true.
It's
True.
it's
It'll
true.
open
It's
true.
true.
It is true. Written
Because
For
it will
as role
not exactly
exactly,
search for that role.
yes.
But
Even if
in
it's
exactly
admin,
case, it will
it will
return
return true.
false.
false.
Yeah, yes. Even if it's admin, it doesn't
Yes.
care. The user
Yeah,
should
it,
definitely
it
have that
exactly
particular role.
searches for that role.
Particular role.
Yes.
Particular role.
So it's
Yeah.
role specified. The second one, like
Yes,
exact
yes,
role.
it should be there actually. Good. And what is this as roles method?
As
As roles.
okay, that is a method actually as roles.
Yeah, that
It
is a
will
method
cons-
only. What is the method does?
So it,
Maybe it will show how many what
any
I
of the
mean
any of the role
any
exactly
of
like any of the role, it will
Yes.
return true.
Any role. It's not like just some
okay.
roles. We can't
Yeah.
give any role between the like the parameters for that. If it contains, if the logged in user contains at least one role,
That
it
role.
might be
One
any
role
role,
it will
anything,
return true.
it will return true.
Yeah.
Return
Otherwise,
true,
it will
yes.
return
But
false.
but in as role exactly it will roll that
Role
exactly
As well,
specified, yes.
exactly is different, right? In that, we'll give the particular
Yeah.
role as the
particular
argument.
role. Yeah. Yeah.
We'll tell that to check that whether user is having this particular role or not. But in
Correct.
as roles method, if the logged in user is at least having any role, any role, it will return true. Otherwise, it will return false.
Yeah.
If the user is not having any role, like if the user is
Yeah.
having 0 roles, it will return false.
False.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's what
Any
is
of the
as
role
roles
from the
method
list.
does. Huh?
Yeah. Any of the role from the list, like list which we have, the role
It's
list.
not list, right? That is different. As role from list. The method is as
Okay.
role from list. We'll use some specific roles, like some group of roles. If the user is having at
yes,
least
yes.
any one role or
Any
admin
one
role,
of
it will return
those.
true. But this
Correct.
as roles is different. If the
Yeah,
user
got
is
it.
having at least one role, anything, it will return
Yeah.
true. If the login user is having 0 role, 0 means no role, then it will return false.
Then false. Yes.
Yes, that's it. And what is this
And
get
the-
reference method? The last question. What is this get reference method?
Get reference. That
Get
is to
reference.
like get the data for like system user, like sys user, that particular group, right? Get
What is
reference
user
of a
get
particular.
reference?
Get reference, I think the backend name of any field or something. Is that? Not sure about it actually. Maybe it will show the backend name of any field.
How did you populate the email and manager of the caller?
It shows the entire record info.
Like, how did you populate the email and manager values of the caller automatically? I have given this requirement. How have you
Yes.
done that?
So it's like g underscore form, then z dot get z dot get reference,
And
sorry, dot
call
dot get
ready.
reference.
So if you want to access any field values of any reference field record, you will use this get reference method. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Okay. Now let's continue the session. So yesterday we have done very simple thing, right? What is that? If the hardware, like categories hardware is like we are assigning to the hardware. right? As simple.
Yes.
Now, like I want it to work for multiple. Like if the category is hardware, software, it should be software. Okay. Consider like this. Okay, iris ka. I only created it now. No, I did not create this. Okay. So within this code actually, so normally if you want to set any field values, you can set using this. Okay. But if there are any some complex conditions, then you need to write this code. So in this, we have different two objects like current and previous. Okay. So let me just show you. If no, let me show you gs dot add info message current dot priority and no, not priority, let's take it category. See, the form loads, right? See, using this previous object, when the form loads, what are the values that the form is having? We can access those values through previous object. So if you want to access the value, like when the form is loading, if you want to access the value of affected user, you use previous dot call ready. If you want to access this channel value, previous dot channel. If you want to access this assignment group field value, you'll use previous dot that field backend name. Okay. And what this current actually does is, let me just show you. So remember, while loading this form, we have category as enquirer helper, right? Now let me change it to something like hardware. Remember it. Now let me just save it. Did I make this run on update? No, wait, okay. Now let me save it. So what did we get here?
Current category and previous category.
And previous.
Previous is enquiry
Previous category
and
is
current
inquiry
is
and current
hardware.
is hardware.
So
Okay.
when the form is loading, so when the form is loaded, so whatever the value that it is having, you can access through this previous object, previous dot field name. We want to access that particular field value. And after saving, what are the field values that it is having? You can access through current. So generally, if you want to set any field values, you will use current only. Okay. But if you want to access the field values, like while the form is loading, whatever the values that the fields are having, if you want to access those field values like that, you use previous dot that field name. Okay. For example, let me do this. So if consider if current dot short description not equal to previous dot short description. Okay. I want to stop the submission of form. Okay. Okay. Understood?
Yes.
So
Yes.
while loading the form, it was test one. If I change to some other value and if you click on save, it will stop the submission of form as per the code that we have written. Okay.
Yeah.
So here will I write before business rule or after async or display? Which business rule will I run?
So here before will be run.
Yeah.
Why can't I use after or async?
I
Because
think Ashink
after,
will also. Okay.
so after this, like before assigning it to the like particular field in background, it will be there. And async
See, as
is
I said, this
user.
before business rule will run,
Yeah.
before the record is saved in the database, right?
Right,
So if
right.
we want to stop this update, then we should stop it before the operation is done on database, right? If we make this after, so this will run after this is saved in the database. So what is the use? It won't stop it. So just let's try. Let me make it
Okay.
after. And to stop the submission of form, actually, we have a method known as set dot current dot set abort action method. In this, we should give true. Okay.
Okay.
This method will actually stop the submission of form. Will abort the action of submission of form. Okay. Now, remember, I gave it as after. Okay.
Yeah.
Now let's see. Now I already changed the short description.
Yes.
Now, okay, let me add the information also. So we'll get to know. GS means Glide System API. Okay.
Okay.
Can't save. And now, actually, when you're modifying any business rule, you need not save the form actually because those will run on server side. So you need not refresh the form. Okay. Now let me save it. So country should not save because I already changed the short description.
Yeah.
See what it will happen. Yeah, you're getting
Can't
invalid update and can't save. But let's see whether it's getting saved or not. Is it saving? It's saving, right? It's saved. Now
Yeah.
let me add some other thing. Just let me save. Okay,
Yes,
you're
it
getting these
got saved.
messages. But
Yeah.
is it saving?
Yes.
Yes, it is saving because this after business will run after the record is saved in the database. But we want to stop the submission of form before the record is saved in the database, right? So that's
Yes.
the reason we use before. Before business will run before the record is saved into the database. As we want to stop the save of form in the database, so we'll use before only, right? So
Yes.
after the form is saved in the database, if you stop the submission of form, what is the use?
There is no meaning of submitting that
There is no
after it
use.
is saved.
Yeah, there is no
Yeah.
use of stopping it. So that's the reason I will use before. Okay.
Yeah.
No. Again, let me try. Let's see if it will stop or not.
Okay.
Let me go back. Okay. Even I'm not able to distinguish. Now let's see. Yeah. Now let me refresh. Wait. See, it
It's not
stopped.
saving. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Understood, right?
Yeah.
If you want to stop the submission of form, you will write after and async. It's not meaningful, right? It's not meaningful
Right.
because after the record is saved in the database, if you're trying to stop, what's the use?
Right.
Yeah, I think there will be some sameta, something like after the answer burn, what is the use of putting the leaves, something like that. Do you have you like heard about it anytime? No.
No.
Okay, I think it's in Telugu. Don't know about your language. Yeah. So yeah. So let's do this requirement. Like if category is hardware, SNN group should be hardware. If software, software, like that. Okay.
Okay.
If current dot, you'll get suggestions here, all the group names. Hardware. Hardware equal to what is the hardware choice backend name? It is hardware only.
Hardware.
Yeah. If it is hardware,
Yeah.
I want to populate the assignment group field with hardware. Like what is the hardware group sysID? I should again go and check there.
Groups.
Yeah. And if it is software,
So you really
current.
necessary to define the variables at all the time.
Huh?
It's really necessary to define the variables VAR.
I'm not getting you. Actually, the voice is not clear. Can you please repeat once again?
Uh, we are not defining VAR, no, here only. We
We are
have to
not
directly
defining.
return the first VAR variables. VAR.
Variables.
Okay, these are not required right here.
Okay.
You will
Okay.
get the sorry, it's category, right? You will
Okay.
get the category value through this current dot category.
Okay.
And we are comparing, and we should compare it whether if it's hardware, we should make the assignment group field popular with this sys nothing but hardware group sys ID. The same way,
Okay.
sorry, it's category. See, in order to, if you want to, you can also assign this value to a variable. But why you need to assign this value to a variable? Not required. You can just
Okay.
rightly use it in if
We
block.
can
No?
directly write
That's
the.
what I'm saying. You can use it directly. This current dot category will give you the category field value. The same way, this also gives the same thing. And here we are assigning. Here we are assigning that this particular sys ID to this assignment group. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Same way. Let me take software. Okay. Now let me save.
Yeah.
Now let's try this. Now let me make this software. Yeah, you got it right?
Yes.
Okay. If it's hardware. So if you want to populate any field values, you use current dot field name equal to what is the value that you want to populate, you put it like that. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
And if you want to access any field value, like when the form is loading, like when the form loads and displayed to you, whatever the field value that you want to access, at that case, you use previous dot field name. Okay. This
Yes.
current before after we save it, right? We save the form, right? At that time, whatever the field values that are having, it will be accessible through current dot. Okay.
Yes.
So you can't assign the field values through previous dot assignment group and previous dot assignment group. Okay. Okay.
Right. Yes.
Okay.
And actually, if you want to abort any, like if we have use this current dot set abort action, right? Instead of
Yeah.
that, there is no like if there is no very big condition actually. In that case, you can use this checkbox actually.
About
It's about
action.
the action. Okay. So
Okay.
if there are simple things like just populating the field values without very complex conditions, you write the condition here and populate the field values here. And if you want to stop the submission of form, you can like if it's like very simple condition, you'll just populate the condition here and you click on this abort action here. It will be stopped. The action will be aborted. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And previously you have done right abort action. You can use this condition actually for that. Short description changes. If short description changes, I want to abort the action. You can give it directly like this. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Do you know changes means what, right? So when the like you're making some changes to some but the short description
Any
field,
event.
it will be considered as short description changes. Okay.
Yes.
So these are the conditions actually. You'll understand easily by just seeing them, right?
Okay.
And when coming to some other things here, you understood this current dot and previous dot, right?
Yes. Yes.
Now, okay, let me explain the dot walking also. Okay, I think Jagadish asked me about this dot walking one day previous,
Yes.
I think 10 days or 15 days back.
Yes.
Okay,
Actually, ServiceNow University has suggested me to go through the dot working course.
so in order to access the reference field record field values, you will use this dot walking concept. In the same way, if I want to populate the email and manager of the caller, of the caller, then I can use this dot walking in order to access the reference field record field values. You will use this dot walking. For example, let me use the same one. Let me populate the email of the caller. Okay. Current dot u underscore email equal to. I'll remove this condition because I don't require that. And equal to current dot caller ID dot. If you click on dot here, these are all the fields. These are all the fields which are part of this sysuser table, because this affected is effective user table, right? So in this, we should type for manager. Got it?
Yes.
Current dot email equal to current dot caller ID dot manager. Manager. Okay. Okay, it's not, yeah, manager. Now let me try this. Hey, sorry, I should give email, right? Why did I give manager? Got it? Any doubt regarding this dot walking? Okay, if no, understood or not? So otherwise,
So
let
repeat
me,
once again.
Yes.
Can you please explain it once again?
Explain once again.
let me display what does this
Yeah,
current
that's
dot
message.
call ID dot email will actually return. You can access any reference field you can access any reference field records field values. For example, this is a reference field. This is a reference field. This is a reference field. Okay. This reference will actually refer to some record, right? Okay,
Yes.
right? A reference will actually refers to a record. So if you want to access that reference record field values, you can use this dot walking. For example, if I want to access this affected user's manager, I'll use this dot walking. Affected user first name, last name, anything. We'll use this dot walking. The same way we have this get reference right in the client script. You have get reference right in the
Okay.
client script.
Yes.
The same way dot walking here in order to access the field values of any reference record. Okay. Now
Yes.
let me just save it. You'll just see. So what does this current dot call dot email will actually display you? Okay. Now let me just change it. Let me give able. No able.
I think it is.
I might have added some condition previously.
No, maybe it
Okay.
is for that particular category or maybe something for hardware category or something.
I think, but yeah. Okay, let me give the location also. Let me save. So the image should be auto-populated here now. See, it got, see, I'm displaying it. I'm displaying it through add info message. See here. Okay. This current dot call dot email is actually will actually see this current dot call ID will actually refer to this record. Okay. This field.
Okay.
In this, we are again using dot and manager. So it will point out to this field. Now I have a
Manager.
question.
Yeah.
Now we are populating this, sorry, no email. Currently we are populating this email, right? So if I want to populate this email field with the caller's manager email, instead of caller's email, if I want to populate this email field with the caller's manager's email,
Okay.
email. So how will I do that?
So instead of current caller ID, we should write manager. Or after current caller ID.
See, anyways, you want to
Dot
access this
manager
caller
dot
ID,
email, I
you
guess.
want to access, yeah, dot
Dot caller dot manager dot email.
any other question, any other doubt regarding this?
No.
Any doubt in
Got
this?
Got it.
So it is
Yeah.
just the like extension we're adding.
Yes,
After
just an
dot.
extension.
Yes.
Just like digging inside.
Yep.
That's it.
Yeah.
In the same way, you can access managers
Time zone.
again, manager and
Business
his email
phone,
also.
phone,
Like,
mobile phone.
yeah, I'm not like I have tried until 4 dot walkings. I'm not sure like what is the limit. I tried for
Okay.
4 or 5. It's working perfect. I don't know like what is the limit.
I think I'll try with all the details. I'll
Now,
manually enter
yeah,
a phone number or something,
let me
then
try
I'll.
with this email. Let's do this. But this user does not have manager. Let me give some user
Yeah.
as manager.
Yeah.
So you should populate callers manager's email, not caller's email. So no, not this one. Consider, yeah, my user record. Now let me remove this. Anyways, it will update it. That's not the problem actually. See, got it. So
Yeah.
Kalkisai
Yes.
is the manager of Travis, and Kalkisai's email is kalkisai@gmail.com.
Mm.
Understood this dot walking concept or not?
Yes.
One more thing. We can also add another email manager's, termed as manager's email on that same, form as well. And we can also do that through dot working. I mean, auto-populate it through that dot working.
I did not understood from starting.
Okay. Can you please go back to the form?
Okay.
Okay. I want to add two emails out here. One is a
Oh,
user email, another one is manager's email. I can
okay.
also add another field in the form design as manager's email, and then I
Yeah.
can auto-populate both of them using dot working, like the user's
Yes.
email as well as the
Yes.
manager's email.
Yes. Then you write
Okay.
2 lines. That's it. For manager's
Yeah.
email, you underscore consider you underscore manager underscore email. For that, you will write current dot caller ID dot manager dot email. And for the
Email.
normal
Yeah.
email, you will write current call ID dot email. That's it.
Email. Yeah.
Caller.email. Okay.
That's
Okay.
it.
Okay.
So both separate fields will be added.
Yeah. Both are separate fields, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yes.
That's
Yes.
what how it should be
Separate
done.
fields. And the phone number of the manager and the phone number of the agent also be added in
You
that
want
those two lines. I mean,
you
yeah.
Yeah.
want
Caller
yeah,
ID
if you
dot
create
phone
another
number,
two
manager dot
fields, you
phone
can
number.
just
Yeah.
add that also.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying. You can access any field
Got it.
of the reference record through dot walking. Okay.
Okay.
But
Okay.
currently, if you remember, I'm not using any update method out here. I'm not writing any update method here. I'm just assigning it.
No.
And I have used this before business tool. When does the before business tool will run? Before the record is saved in the database, right?
Yeah.
So I'm not using
Yeah.
any update method here because I'm already assigning it. I'm assigning it through current dot. Okay. And I'm making this
Mhm.
business will run in before.
Before.
So
Yeah.
anyways, I'm assigning it before the record is saved in database, right? Now let me try this. Let me make this after,
Okay.
and I'm using it the same code. I'm using the same code. Okay. Let's see if the email field is getting auto populated or not. If you see here now, I made it as after. Okay.
Yes.
Let's see. Is Kalkisa still? It should be changed now. As per our thinking, it got changed.
No.
No.
Do you know why?
Because it is.
Because this business will run after the record is
After.
saved into the
Save.
database.
Yes.
And we
Yes.
are
That is by
trying to
default.
assign the value after the record is saved into the database. But okay, you are assigning it after the record is saved in database. But you should update it right again. But you should update it right. So
Yes.
that's the
Yes.
reason we will use current dot update method. So what it actually does is to update this current update method will actually update update method will actually update the record. So what happens when I click on save? Anyways, this is after business rule. So the form will be saved in the database. Okay, the form will be saved in the database. And next, this after business rule will run. So it will assign the email. And because of this method, it will again update.
Update. Yes.
But these are done
Okay.
like very minute. It will take us a very minute time. You can't even just see them. Okay.
Yes.
Now let's see. Now let me save it. current.email, current.call.email, current.update. After fine. Okay, let me change the user. Once, let's see why it's not working. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
Understood.
Yes.
Okay.
The question for you now is, can you use this dot update method in before? Is it required?
No, I think it is not required.
If you're
I think it
trying
will
to
be
update the
overwork.
current record, it's not required actually. You shouldn't use.
No. Yes.
Okay.
For
Shouldn't
current,
use.
for current, we can use update.
See, you should use
No,
this
it is
dot
only for
update
after.
method. See, this you should use this dot update method. Like if you want to update the current record, you use this current update method. Okay.
Yeah.
For only after async only. For before, you shouldn't use this update method. Okay. For
Yes.
before, you shouldn't use this because anyways,
It will get
it
updated.
will run before saving only.
Yes.
Anyways,
Yeah.
this will run
Yeah.
before saving to database only. So why you need to again use that particular method? Not required, right?
Correct.
And in async, why we use that?
See, async business will also be run after record saved in database only, na?
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's
Everything
why.
is after. It is only the
Okay.
refreshing
Okay.
time and ready to
Yes.
user.
Yes.
Those.
Okay.
After an
Okay.
async
Okay.
runs after
Okay.
record saved in database only, but this change I
Yes.
already told you yesterday.
Yeah.
So
Yes.
you
Yes.
shouldn't use this dot update method in before. So this will be the interview question for you. They'll ask you, can you use this dot update method in like current dot update method in before? No,
There
we
is no
shouldn't
meaning
use.
of
No.
Because
running it in
anyways,
before.
it will run before the record is saved in database, right? So we need to use. We shouldn't use.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Not the best practice.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So consider understood. For existing records, caller field value should not be able to change. So you stop it. You stop the submission. Okay. Understood or
Yes.
not?
Yes.
For existing records, you should not be able to change the caller field and populate the manager email department location of caller is auto populate the manager of caller on incident form. Okay. Understood or not? The same way we have like populated this manager and email. I need to populate these four:
Okay.
Yes.
manager, email, department, and location.
Location.
Okay.
Yeah. Department location.
Okay. This
Yeah.
wait.
Dot
This
working.
location field should be string. This location field should be string. This department field. Any doubt regarding this department field type? If you're having any doubt,
No.
see this department field should be here.
Yes.
See, department field is
Yeah.
referring to which table? See to which table the department field is referring to. There should be department field here. Let me add it.
Department is that category kind of thing like software, hardware, and database and call,
See,
or it is like
department.
the designation.
Yeah, in every company, like the employee will have some department, right?
Okay.
Like to which
Okay. The
department he does
designation
belongs
like
to.
software developer and
Department is
tester and
that.
all those things.
So see, what does this department field is referring to? It's
Sales.
referring to CM and department table. So create a field so that department field on incident form, it should refer to CM and department table and it should populate. But
Actually,
if you
that's
see
reference
here,
field.
the location field will be, where is the location field? And
Location here.
yeah, it's here. Yeah. Location field is reference table here, right? But
Yeah.
I don't want it as reference field on incident form. It should be string field type only. But
Okay.
I want to see, if you see this location, we have different fields here in the location record. I want to populate this
Mhm.
name.
Okay.
Okay.
Otherwise, city. I want to populate the city. I want to populate the location city.
Okay.
So, any idea how we will do that?
So dot location dot city.
That's it. That's it.
Yeah. Dot location dot city. Hello. Parking रे अच्छे कुट्टे से. हाँ.
Do the
Call
same
coach.
requirement regarding this assignment group. So you'll understand how to assign the values. Okay. Anyway, it's very easy. You need to get to know, that's it. Hardware, like understood it, right? The same way we have done previously. If it's hardware, hardware group.
Yes.
Software, software group.
Okay.
Network, network group. Fine. I'll just share you the file. That's it for today. Okay. So if you have any doubt, please note it out. We can discuss it tomorrow. Anyways, we are running out, like already 10 minutes completed. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Yeah.
Please do it. It's like